Hello friends, welcome to our channel. What does it mean? I am back with another video in the series of components of food. This is the third video of the series. If you have not seen our previous video, then you can find the link of videos in description box. In the last video, I had explained about carbohydrate, and today I am taking another macronutrient, that is fat. Fat is also an energy giving food, but still it is the most blamed component, or we can say synonym of bad health. But it is not like that. In today's video, I will try to change your notion about fat. Today, I will explain you what is fat, the different types of fats, what are good or bad fats, and I will share some interesting facts about fat. So, let's start. Firstly, we need to know what is fat. Fat are one of the three macronutrients. Macronutrient means the nutrient which are required in large amount. Other two macronutrients are carbohydrate and proteins. Fat molecules consist of carbon and hydrogen atom, and therefore they are hydrophobic in nature. Means fat can dissolve in organic solvent like alcohol, but it is insoluble in water. You can see this by doing different experiments. There are tests of fats in which you can see that fat is not soluble in water. Fat help our body to use some vitamins like vitamin E and help to keep our skin healthy. It is a macronutrient, therefore, it is a source of stored energy for us. It protects the skeleton and nerves and provides cushioning to our vital organ. It is the stored form of energy. It gives us 4 times more energy than carbohydrate. So now you can understand how important it is. Now let's discuss about types of fat. Majorly, there are two types of fats on the basis of structure, that is, saturated and unsaturated. If we go to the biochemistry of structure of fat, so we can find that basically the types arises because of arrangement of carbon bond. For example, in saturated fat, carbon atoms are having single bond, and in unsaturated fat, carbon chain have double bond at different position. That's why we can see three different types of unsaturated fat only because of arrangement of carbon atom. There are carbon-carbon double bond which are arranged in different position. That's why unsaturated fats are divided into three groups. First one is monounsaturated fat. Monounsaturated fats are the fats in which the double bond is present at one position. Some of the examples of monounsaturated fat are olive oil, avocado, nuts, and all of these are good for our health. Second type of unsaturated fat is polyunsaturated fat. Here, there are a number of double bonds are more as compared to the monosaturated unsaturated fat or other types of fat. So that's why it is called polyunsaturated fat. Commonly, we know them by the name of omega. They are of different types: omega 3, omega 6, omega 7, and omega 9. Salad, flax seeds, walnut, etc. When it is taken in proper ratio, they are healthy for us because they are containing essential omega acids, which we call omega fatty acids. The last type of fat, or we can unsaturated fat, is trans fat. Trans fat is one of the component of fat because of which we are categorizing the fats into the blamed one. So trans fats, some of the sources of trans fats are cookies, fast food, pizza, fried food, and all the junks which we like to enjoy. So these are types of fat. After this, you can easily understand about good or bad fat. So there are two types of fat, good or bad. Again, it based on the how we are using them. The amount of fat which we are consuming, it makes us good or bad. Good fats. Let's discuss about good fats. Monounsaturated fat, if consumed from good sources, then they convert into the good fats. And polyunsaturated fat, if taken in proper ratio, like our omegas, if they are taken in good ratio or proper ratio, then they are comes into the category of good fats. On the other hand, bad fats, saturated fat should be minimized from our body because they are containing some of the bad things, or we can say they are solid form in room temperature, so they accumulate in our body. And trans fat, that is not advisable to us. We should eliminate it from our diet because they comes into the category of bad fat. Now let's discuss about some of the interesting facts because fat is important for us. So I would like to share some of the interesting facts about fats which help you to change your notion about fats. Saturated fats can increase overall LDL cholesterol and HDL cholesterol. That's why I'm saying that we should minimize saturated fat in our body, that is solid ghee, butter, etc. Moderate intake of natural trans fat is not harmful, but artificial trans fat like liquid oil and refined fats are harmful for us. So we have to choose which kind of fat we are taking in. Artificial trans fat may increase the risk of heart diseases by increasing overall LDL and decreasing HDL cholesterol. They can damage the inner lining of blood vessels and it leads to the heart stroke. So, we should remove all these kinds of trans fat from our body. Whenever we are eating any junk food, there is mentioned that it contains zero trans fat or zero point 0.5 trans fat, so, or it is containing hydrogenated oil. So we should check the label before eating them. Monounsaturated trans fat are good for our health. They are liquid in room temperature like avocado oil or olive oil. That's why we are taking in directly. We are using these as a seasoning in our salad. So they are not harmful for us. They are liquid in room temperature, so easily they are digestible by our body. Polyunsaturated fat like omega-6s fatty acid and omega-3s fatty acid, if taken in proper ratio of 4 is to 1, 4 is the ratio of 6s fatty acid and 1 is the ratio of 3s fatty acid, then they are good for us. 3s fatty acids are present in walnut. So if you are taking these dry fruits or nuts in your daily diet, then they are good for us. So we can say if fat is taken in moderation and by keeping its effect on our body and our mind, then there will be no harm or they are converted into the good fat. So whenever you are taking your meal, you should check what kind of fat you are taking in. I hope you liked today's video. If you have any doubt, then please post in the comment section. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel, share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Be happy and be curious.